Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how to install Microsoft Windows Server 2022 on VMware Workstation Pro 16. So you need to go to the Microsoft official site and go to the download free trial of the Microsoft Windows Server 2022. Okay, click on download free trial. Okay, go to the down and click on Windows Server 2022. Okay, here you can download the ISO file. Right here we have some registration form for free trial, so you enter all the required information and click on download now. If you have already downloaded the installer file, so I'll just use that file. So for this demo I'm using VMware Workstation 16, that's a Pro Edition. So if you want the Pro Edition licensed version, so make sure you check my previous video. I'll give the link in the description box as well. To create the virtual machine, you can go to file or simply click on the plus icon here, create a new virtual machine. Alright, so we'll go with the custom advanced one. Click on next. So here you can see hardware is a 16.2x and the compatible is, it is also compatible with the ESX server. Okay, then you can go to next. So click on the I will install the operating system later and click on next. Select the Microsoft Windows, and there is no Windows Server 2022, so you can go with the Windows Server 2019. Alright, click on next. So give your virtual machine the name. And for the location, you can just give your preferred location. Okay, so after that you can just click on next. Simply for firmware type you can just click on next. So for processor, number of processor 2 and number of core per processor is 1, so total processor core will be 2. Alright, so click on next. So I will, for the memory, I will give a 8 GB, around 8 GB. So depending upon your requirement, you can give the memory size for the VM. Okay, click on next. For network type, I will use the NAT, that's a network address translation. Click on next. So for the SCSI controller, that I will go with the default one. For the virtual disk type, it's a NVMe, that's a recommended one, so I'll go with this default one. So here we will create the new virtual disk, so and give the size. So here I will give 100 GB, and simply you can just split the virtual disk into multiple files and click on next. Okay, click on finish. Okay, now simply you can power on this virtual machine, or if you want to edit some machine setting, then you can just edit it from here. Alright, so before that, yeah, we need to give the ISO image file location. So give the location of the image file. Okay, then click on OK. So simply run the power on. Alright, so here we have the setup wizard. So we'll all go with the default one. That's a language to install is English, and time and currency format English United States. Okay, keyboard layout let the US. Okay, just click on next and click on install now. Alright, the setup will take some couple of minutes depending upon your network or your hardware spec. Okay, here, so if you want to go with the command line interface, you can select the first option, standard evaluation. So if you want to have the desktop experience, then you can go with the second option. Okay, so here you need to accept the license terms and agreement. Okay, if you want to upgrade the existing Windows Server to the Windows Server 2022, then you can go with the first option, that is upgrade option. So if you are going the fresh installation, you can go with the custom one. Alright, for here we need to create the disk partition. So yeah, click on apply. It will create a multiple partition. For system file, you can just click on OK. So select the primary partition and click on next. So here our setup is going. So this is also going to take some couple of minutes. Give the password for the inbuilt administrator user. So you will use this user to log into the computer, so make sure you don't forget that password. Alright, here we are logged in. So to log in to the virtual machine in VMware Workstation, you need to give the Ctrl-Alt-Delete from the arrow over here. So just use the password you set it before and click OK. So here you can see we have successfully configured the virtual machine. That's the Windows Server 2022. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. So make sure you don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you'll get notified when I upload the new video. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.